What's on your mind? Can I read it from your eyes? Can we leave and make the time stand still? What if we stay? Pretend there's nothing else.
Let's do a wearable red Christmas glam look. So these little videos are just going to be simply the eye look. I'm going to try and get out as many as I possibly can before Christmas and New Year. We're going in with the Fyne Artbeauty palette and we are taking this shade right here. And this is going to be my base shade. Now I do start off quite light because I didn't really know what kind of shape I was going to go for, but we just went all over red. So now I'm just going in with a packing brush and I'm just putting this all over my lid. Just packing this colour on so that it is quite pigmented. Then I'm just going to take a little blending brush and we are just going to blend upwards very, very lightly. We're going to blend upwards and outwards and we are going to continue to blend with a brush that doesn't have any excess product on it. Now we're going in with this shade and we are just going to blend that into the crease area. This is the shimmer shade that I decided to go in with all over the lid. This is me showing you guys that you can just put on a little bit with a little dense eyeshadow brush, but I do end up going in with my finger and putting loads of shimmer on the eyelids just to make this nice and sparkly for the festive season. We're continuing to blend upwards and outwards just to create this rounded effect. Make sure that everything is seamlessly blended. Continuing to add more glitter because you know what I'm like with glitter, I absolutely pack it on. Now we are just smudging out that lower lash line as well and I'm going in with a brown eyeliner and I'm tightlining my top eyelash line as well. Now I'm just curling my lashes with my Doll Beauty lash curler and I'm just going in with a little bit of mascara. Then once that's dried I'm taking the Lillywhite Cosmetics lashes in the style Paris and I'm putting them on. These are absolutely stunning. I absolutely love these lashes. Then I'm taking a little bit of black liquid liner by Inglot and I'm just going right along that lash band, just smudging out that lower lash line and smoking it right out. This is this look. I hope you guys love it. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, comment, all the usual jazz, and I'll see you in my next look.
What's on your mind?